Yeah, I'm finished here. I'm finished cleaning fridge. The fridge, I'm finished. Even the fridge down here, I'm done cleaning. Yeah, I'm finished. Yeah, it looks. I wish you can see nicely, guys. Yeah. So here I'm done. I put ice cream this side. Ice slowly, not ice cream. Ice slowly this side. Then here I'm gonna just put all the meat. This is the meat, and there too. Yeah. So let's pack the meat in the fridge. There it is, guys. I finished packing. I wish you can see nicely. I pack like this for now. And here too, I'm done. Yeah. So guys, continue cleaning the fridge. This is the second fridge. Let me just say it's a first fridge because it's inside the house, and the one it's behind or in the kitchen outside. So the one I start outside the kitchen. This it's inside. So this is the fridge. This is different. This is the fridge. So I'm cleaning the fridge. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all the bottles. I'm gonna start from here, all the bottles, all the stuff out, and put it on the counter. Wipe one by one. Open the glass, check inside. If the stuff inside is still fine. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do from there to here, there until down finish. That's what I'm going to do now. Yeah, let's finish. Then tomorrow we do other stuff. So what I do, guys, just take out in the fridge, wipe, open, and if it's old, I throw it away. If it's still fine inside, then I keep. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I do. Wipe. After wiping, I open, check inside, it's still fine. Then I close, take it back in the fridge. As you know, it's the end of the years. Other things they expire, other things still fine. So I just want to make sure that I check everything. Yeah. So I do the fruit too. I keep the fresh one and the old one, throw it away so that the other new one doesn't get bad. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I come to the end of the video. I finish everything. As you see, I watch this stuff, wiping the bottle open to make sure stuff is still fine, you know. Yeah, I just did that here too, the same thing. Take out all the stuff, wipe, open to make sure the food is still fine in the fridge. The rotten one, throw it away. There is no need to keep it in the fridge. It's something that is expired, you know. Yeah, so this is my food. Yeah, and the fruits, I just did that too. Washing this thing, take the old fruits, the one that we can't use it anymore, and throw it, you know. Yeah guys, I came to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate. It's the time for me to say goodbye. Thank you so much. I love you so much guys. Thank you. I really appreciate. I don't take you for granted. My God bless you. Thank you.